Why do you think that is happening? Because people are not seeing immediate effects.
Aware. People are not aware.
Yeah, but we can't really do much about it.
That is the thinking we need to change, I guess.
Okay, like what would you recommend as an individual you could do?
Spirometry is a lung function test. उनका lung function was equivalent to a person 20 to 25 years history of smoking. The little girl, it was so normal for her कि यार मेरे तो क्लास में बहुत लोग यूज करते हैं inhalers, so
Let's talk about the hot topic. हर किसी के घर में फ्रिज होता है नॉर्मल, हर किसी के घर में एसी होता है. क्या अब हर किसी के घर में एयर प्यूरिफायर भी होना जरूरी है?
तो वन थिंग वी नीड टू सी कि ये तीन आपकी लेयरिंग अपने एयर प्यूरिफायर में
है कि नहीं?
सो CADR इज क्लीन एयर डिलीवरी रेट. People don't know about it.
I hope that we can make a difference with this episode. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Papi. Today we are your बीमार host Shreya
And Savneet,
क्योंकि हम इंडिया की सबसे पोल्यूटेड सिटी दिल्ली गुड़गांव में रहते हैं.
India की नहीं है bro. It's the world's most polluted city. We live in the most polluted city.
Thanks for the fun fact, Savneet. And today we have Dr. Kriti Sareen with us. She's a pulmonologist.
A lung specialist for
Yes.
laymen.
And today we have all the crazy questions and she's going to give us all the right answers. जो कोई सुनना चाहता है या नहीं चाहता, हम definitely जनता को बताना चाहते हैं. Yes.
Yes.
So what are the long detrimental effects on health? Like apart from the lungs, what do you think is affect? मतलब और क्या क्या चीजें
Like
affect हो
even
रही हैं?
people who might not be coughing right now or getting sick right now, I'm sure उन्हें भी of course effect तो हो ही रहा
Lung
होगा.
aging is one thing, especially in children. जो अगर हम
Of course.
young people की बात करें and young adults and especially the children age group, infants की बात करें तो
जिनकी डेवलपमेंट हो रही है.
डेवलपमेंट हो रही है तो दे हैव अ डिलेड डेवलपमेंट एंड लंग्स का जो जिस स्पीड से वो डेवलप करने चाहिए उतने तक नहीं जाता है. सो द ग्राफ डजंट गो टिल दैट पॉइंट कि
अच्छा वो डेवलप ही नहीं हो पा रहा है.
Development ही हो रही है.
हाँ
Okay.
वहीं से वो रिग्रेशन
Of
स्टार्ट.
course.
I also read that cognitive ability, cognitive function, they are also getting affected by
Brain fog is something
brain fog is
That is
something
very real. Yeah.
that's happening.
Constant migraines and everything.
ब्रेन फॉगिंग, कार्डियोवैस्कुलर डिजीजेस लाइक बीपी बढ़ जाता है लोगों का अचानक से एंड दे डोंट रिलेट इट.
They don't exactly. I think people don't relate headaches or being anxious or just everything to pollution, but it might be a very big reason.
It is there. So there are few pollutants to talk about कि जो dust वगैरह जैसे रोड पे हमारे को सारा dust दिखता है. So that is what is visible to us.
Yeah.
Few of the pollution particles are not even visible.
Like the 2.5 that we talk about, is which is not visible.
Yeah. So
2.5.
so
PM
basically,
2.5.
there are if we divide it. तो एक PM10 वाले होते हैं और PM2.5 वाले होते हैं. So it is the size of the particle. 10 microns के particle में the 2.5 microns वाला particles are included.
Okay.
10 micron वाला particle is like the गली बॉय, मतलब वो एक बाहर सड़क पर एक गुंडा है ना, बट इट इज आउटसाइड योर हाउस. तो
Okay.
वो क्या कहते हैं दिक्कत कर रहा है. सो इट इज
बस आपको दिख रहा है तो आप नहीं इतना मतलब
इतना
इस एरिया में जाओगे.
कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है तो आपको वो डस्ट दिख
रही है.
10 micron वाला particle. It is there. It is visible to you. It is irritating you. It is irritating your eyes. Watery eyes कर रहा है, redness कर रहा है, watery nose कर रहा है, rhinitis कर रहा है.
और वो यूजली इमीडिएट इफेक्ट दे रहा है.
Immediate effect दे रहा है, मतलब आप उससे बच रहे हो. So that is what 10 microns is. Now coming to those particles which are
नहीं
actually
दिख रहे.
injurious to health is 2.5
Yes.
microns.
Okay.
So these are the actual villains.
Yes.
They go into your lungs, go to the smaller airways
Yeah.
inside. They seep into your bloodstream. तो वो they are like the rental people. Rent के लिए रहने आए
Slow
हैं
killers.
आपके में, slow killers, and they just आपका कब्जा कर लिया घर को. So
Okay.
early deaths हो रही हैं उसकी वजह से, premature
काफी,
deaths
yeah.
हो रही हैं, लो बर्थ वेट्स हो रहे हैं, प्रेग्नेंट फीमेल्स का
Yeah.
प्रेगनेंसी को इफेक्ट हो रहा है कि लो बर्थ वेट बेबीज हो रहे हैं
Of course.
एंड प्रीमेच्योर बेबीज हो रहे हैं. सो एवरीथिंग इज
Do you think if we wear the mask, तो वो वाले particles can be prevented from going to the airways?
yes, N95 masks to a limit.
Yeah, I read it's about 30 to 40% reduction that
They do help. Obviously it is not something कि हाँ आपको
100%.
100%.
but it's still better than not wearing it. I mean, of course.
But it is still so. For everybody out there who stares at me when I wear an N95 mask, please stop staring at us. Please start wearing it. I mean, there are long detrimental effects to everything that's happening right now. You might not see it abhi, but again, few years down the lane, it's gonna affect you in ways not, you can't even imagine.
I think it's cancer inducing also, like very much.
Yeah, it is. So I will just share one scenario. So one patient I will who works in an MNC. So a 25-year-old male came to me in my OPD. So he works in an MNC. तो ना early morning रात को ड्यूटी होती है and early morning walk jogging पे जाते हैं. So it was happening since post COVID. 22 के बाद से मतलब since past 3 to 4 years he has been jogging early in the morning.
Okay.
So we got one spirometry done. So spirometry is a lung function test. जो हम it is just a screening कि how your lung age is, how there is the the airways are they how much they are open or something. तो फिर उनका lung function was equivalent to a person another person like around 45 to 50-year-old man.
I feel like that'll be all of us, man.
20 to 25 years history of smoking. So the person who has not been smoking, the 25-year-old young lad who has been just jogging.
But we're all smoking, right? I mean, even if you're not
Right, so
smoking.
basically you're trying to say that वो 20-25-year-old का जो lung age है, that's
It's like
similar
45.
to a 45-year-old has been smoking.
Yes.
25-year-old man who has not been.
I was reading like right now the AQI it's equivalent to somebody smoking 100 cigarettes a day. 100 cigarettes is an insane amount of smoke going inside your body.
Exactly. So ये वाली चीज is something very serious.
And as you mentioned, like he was walking and everything. I am still seeing. I was just telling Shreya also कि marathons हो रहे हैं, fitness activities हो रही हैं बाहर.
This myth कि सुबह सुबह early morning walks जो है ना they are good for your health.
Yeah.
I think people who exercise should be doing it in enclosed spaces. They should do it indoors, especially
Now, I mean,
especially right now. मतलब वैसे भी मुझे लगता है कि ये जो early morning walks हैं ये सब.
and I think I was reading early morning is AQI the worst.
The worst.
Exactly.
There is a trap that is created by the environment. It's a smog trap. तो अर्ली मॉर्निंग में क्या होता है कि देयर इज दिस लेयर क्रिएटेड इन द एयर तो उधर ना स्मॉग ट्रैप हो जाता है. स्मॉग इज बेसिकली स्मोक एंड फॉग.
Yes.
तो फॉग का टाइम तो यूजुअली लेट आवर्स ऑफ द नाइट एंड अर्ली आवर्स ऑफ द मॉर्निंग वाला होता है. तो उसमें वो स्मोक भी एंट्रैपमेंट हो जाती है. सो दैट्स व्हाई द AQI इज मोर इन द अर्ली मॉर्निंग आवर्स. एंड सो दिस इज द मिथ कि क्या कहते हैं सुबह सुबह जाओ जॉगिंग करो.
यार वो उन जगहों के लिए यहाँ पे the air is not polluted. It's
Exactly.
great.
And also the elderly people, they also need to understand because बड़े ढीठ होते हैं ना सबके सब. They're so hell bent कि नहीं मेरे को तो सुबह ही जाना है. Everybody needs to know.
यार वो ठीक नहीं है ना, वो 60 साल से इतने से रह रहे हैं, उन्होंने पोल्यूशन देखा नहीं है.
पर अब हो रहा है ना.
उन्हें नहीं समझ आ रहा है कि ये सब क्या है.
Anyway, I told my dadu he goes for a run he is so fit, but I've told him not to do that. And वो ऐसे थे कि तो मैंने उन्हें समझाया कि मत करो, सच में मत जाओ बाहर.
Especially
थोड़ा
this time of the year
Yeah.
is very specifically कि यहाँ पर pollution तो increase होगा ही होगा.
यार I feel like all round year, yeah, of course साल इस टाइम बहुत होता है, but all round year AQI
there.
I think
bad only.
150, 100 से नीचे तो मैंने I think 100 is considered a very good day in Delhi. कि oh 100 AQI, oh my god, like that, which is insane because I think as far as I know the safe limit is 30, which is the safe limit. कि मतलब
True.
ये तो भाई this is like a utopian world.
no,
We can never.
No, I was talking to a friend. She studies in Canada, okay, and she was telling me a few months before, there कुछ forest fire वगैरह हुई थी कनाडा में, and
yes, I also-
their AQI went to 9. So a health advisory was issued, and they all got work from home, and it was a total shutdown. A 9 AQI. My lungs would बौखला जाएंगे भाई. मेरे lungs अगर 9 AQI में चले गए तो
समझ बेचारे फूला नहीं समा पाएंगे
समझ
भाई
नहीं आएगा कितनी था.
कि this is too much.
बाहर निकल जाएंगे फिर.
Yeah, like so I feel like I would feel like the high you would feel on substances if I have a 9 AQI.
Maybe. Yeah. So every time we go abroad or we go for a vacation, and then we come back, we actually feel ki, okay, this such a huge difference in the air quality.
Yeah.
You get a little soreness in the throat, your skin starts to break out again, watering of the eyes, all of that.
Heaviness हो जाती है, especially the skin.
Skin, let's talk about skin.
Yes, skin dryness हो जाती है. There are breakouts, there are acne is happening,
man.
and especially few people, they have redness, and they don't really relate it with the pollution. So the main thing is, I guess, we should stay hydrated at this point of time.
Hydration is very important for skin right now.
For skin. And even the young adults, apart from the young adults, the children are coming into my OPD.
I'm sure.
To seek for help. So recently, around a 10-year-old little girl, came to my OPD. I just undergone some tests. I just told her to undergo some tests, and I found out that she is having early onset asthmas. So
As a 10-year-old.
A 10-year-old. So इतने young लोगों में भी दिक्कतें आनी शुरू हो रही हैं. And I just told her to take some inhaler. And it was like very normal. तो उसके ना parents were a bit कि ये क्या दे दिया, ये क्या हो गया.
But यार inhalers also have long term effects, I'm sure है ना. मतलब as a 10-year-old जब आपका brain development हो रहा है, सब कुछ development हो रहा है.
Inhaler नहीं होता. ठीक है, inhalers do not have any side effects as such when given properly when they are prescribed by a pulmonologist.
Okay.
So the little girl told me कि क्या कहते हैं it was so normal for her कि यार मेरे तो क्लास में बहुत लोग use करते हैं inhalers. So this normalization is very alarming. I guess this is very alarming.
Of course it is. But I think it's been happening for a very long time. I think the first time I used an inhaler, I was in 6th grade. Same bronchitis.
So that is a rare scenario, right? कि एक जना from in the मतलब या 2-3 जना in the whole.
हाँ, अब normal हो गया है.
10 साल की बच्ची कह रही है कि
अच्छा, everybody is using it.
No, so it is very normal. So this normal.
This is alarming. This is an alarming situation for sure.
Yeah.
मतलब
Why is it not being treated as an alarm situation is just
I genuinely feel that
mind-boggling to me.
Okay, बच्चे तो इसमें क्या करे? मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा पेरेंट्स क्यों नहीं कुछ कर रहे.
पेरेंट्स को स्टिग्मा भी बहुत है कि ये पोल्यूशन लोग बोलते हैं. मतलब आई हैव सीन सम फैमिलीज कमिंग फ्रॉम अ बैकग्राउंड कि वो बोलते हैं यार बेटा ये पोल्यूशन क्या है, तुम अपना लंग स्ट्रांग रखो ना, तुम ये करो ना, तुम वो करो ना. दे आर नॉट.
भाई ये तो आई थिंक सबसे बड़ा डिल्यूजन है कि अगर आप ज्यादा पोल्यूशन में जाओगे या नॉर्मल रहोगे तो आपके लंग उसे यूज्ड हो जाएंगी. इट विल जस्ट गेट मोर डैमेज्ड.
या एग्जैक्टली.
the other day we had somebody visiting us. वो हमारी सोसाइटी में ही रहते हैं, ठीक है. She has a daughter. It felt like she told us कि उन्होंने मजाक में बोला कि ओ मैं तो हर साल पटाखे चलाती हूँ. या she said कि हम तो हमेशा पटाखे चलाते हैं, मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है पटाखे. मैं अपने दिमाग में सोच रही थी कि bro,
Oh my god.
you are fully developed. Look at your kid. She's 1 year old. मतलब अनपढ़ता की भी एक लिमिट है भाई. तुम तो पढ़े लिखे इंसान हो. एक अनपढ़ से मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर सकती हूँ कि वो ये करे, पर तुम तो पढ़े लिखे इंसान हो. तुम and you have a child who's 1 year old.
इस एज में तो मतलब this kind of pollution and at this early age at infancy, so infancy is below 1 year or something. तो इस एज में तो हमें बहुत ज्यादा इंडोर्स रहने की जरूरत है.
Okay, let's talk about the hot topic. हर किसी के घर में फ्रिज होता है नॉर्मल, हर किसी के घर में एसी होता है. क्या अब हर किसी के घर में एयर प्योरीफायर भी होना जरूरी है?
वेरी ट्रू. मतलब एयर प्योरीफायर होना तो बहुत जरूरी है. आई गेस एवरी हाउस होल्ड शुड have air purifier, especially if you have young adults, young children, elderly in your house. And apart from that, even
In general, anybody who breathes.
एयर प्योरीफायर का एक तो एयर प्योरीफायर ये नहीं कि कहीं से भी कुछ भी उठा के ले आए. तो एयर प्योरीफायर शुड हैव true HEPA 13-14 filter.
Yeah, but I was talking to somebody who is actually in this air purifier industry and they were telling me कि जितने भी ऐसे 20, 30, 40,000 के range के air purifiers आते हैं ना, they're nothing. They just have fans and they actually don't work. It's only like either you buy like super expensive Dyson type brand so it works. Otherwise, you're just fooling yourself and they actually don't do anything.
No, it has nothing to do with the cost part. So if you can get a good air purifier even at 2000. तो अभी आजकल किसी ने वो भी बनाया था अपना एक IITian made some kind of air purifier out of household waste and some kind of electronic waste as well. So apart from that, air purifier, एक अच्छा air purifier होने के लिए you should have true HEPA 13-14 filter. So basically 3 filters होने जरूरी है good air purifier में. The first one is to catch the larger particles. So it is a normal filter की जो वो मैं आपको बता रही थी
जो PM10 वाला बता रहे थे.
PM10 वाला. So the second layer should be of activated carbon.
Okay,
so
for the
that
2.5.
For the odor, fumes,
Okay.
like अगर बत्ती जलती है तो लोगों को ना already who are already having some kind of lung diseases like bronchial asthma or COPD, तो they do मतलब exacerbate in such conditions. तो उसको combat करने के लिए fumes, odors ये भी कहीं ना कहीं they are also adding up to the pollution. तो वो second layer helps in that thing. The third layer should be the true HEPA 13-14 filter. तो जो वो first layer है, it is protecting your filter as well.
All right.
क्योंकि वो dust particles आएंगे तो वो filter को भी जल्दी खराब करेगा. तो one thing we need to see कि ये 3 आपकी layering अपने air purifier में
है कि नहीं.
है कि नहीं. The second thing is कि आपका जो filter life है वो कैसा है. So few filters are, you need to change it in a span of 6 months, and few of them also work till 4 to 5 years.
मैं अभी गई थी डायसन के स्टोर पे, जैसे ऐसे ही मैंने उनसे नॉर्मली पूछ लिया तो उन्होंने बोला कि उसकी जो लाइफ है अब वो 3 मंथ्स की मतलब 3 मंथ्स की हो चुकी है, तो अगर आप काफी टाइम से यूज कर रहे हो अपना वो ठीक कर लेना, साफ कर लेना, पता चले आपने चलाया हुआ है, आप सोच रहे हो कि बढ़िया सब चल रहा है.
वही फिल्टर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि ना आप, वरना आपने एयर प्यूरिफायर लेकर एक कोने में डाल दिया और उसका फिल्टर ही आप चेंज नहीं कर रहे हो तो it has nothing to do. It is useless. And the third point I would like to put in here is the CADR. So CADR is clean air delivery rate. So people don't know about it. Clean air delivery rate क्या होता है कि इन बहुत ही basic मैं बताऊँ तो it is the amount of clean air the air purifier is delivering by cleaning the air in the house. तो अगर आप एक छोटा CADR वाला air purifier एक larger room में लगा दोगे तो it will only clean out only 10 to 20% of the air and it is useless again.
Damn, there are so many things that one needs to keep in mind.
Yeah, for like
And also I've also seen one more thing happening, like for example like you just said, एक आपने एयर प्यूरिफायर चलाया हुआ है तो वो कमरे का दरवाजा भी नहीं बंद कर रहे, वो कमरा खुला हुआ है, तो वो कैसे,
तो
मतलब how it's useless ना, to in order to be effective it has to be enclosed. दरवाजा बंद होना चाहिए.
It was exactly like an AC, like a bigger room would require a bigger ton AC, or smaller, and you need to keep the door closed, of course, for the temperature to be maintained. It's the same thing, but people are not treating it the same way.
Yeah, so you can have it at a cheaper cost or an expensive one, depends on the added functions. So it has nothing to do with the cost, I suppose.
So abhi I was seeing Instagram pe only, I think there's a startup that has begun. You can wear like a small air purifier in your neck, and I don't know if it actually works, but people are starting to buy. Apparently the startup has gotten very popular. I can't remember the name right now, but you think it could actually work because तुम तो खुले environment में हो ना?
Yeah, exactly. So it is not that effective. So there are no studies to it related to it right now that I would like to comment on.
Okay. They claim कि आपके मुंह के नीचे है तो मतलब it just clear.
वो आस-पास कर रहा है तो it is, I don't think it is that effective. I would not.
They're really capitalizing on it, man.
वही बच्चे हैं.
And I can't wait for the West Delhi boys to have that in their neck and then also have a cigarette in their hand.
Yeah, I'm wearing an air purifier, but
now you can do that.
Yeah. I'm gonna equalize it.
Gen Zs and everybody is now coming up with they are taking it into so much of humor कि वो reels बना रहे हैं, they're making songs out of it.
Option नहीं है ना.
हाँ, एक वो शादी वाला couple का video now there is this thing कि 7 फेरे ले रहे हैं, वरमाला डाल रहे हैं, N95 मास्क भी पहनाओ एक दूसरे.
yeah,
I mean, it's very much required.
when you can't change something, let's just humor it. It's like that. But I want people to take this seriously. Why aren't people taking it seriously?
I don't know, because why ना same thing. Immediate effects हो नहीं रहे हैं. 5 साल बाद realize करेंगे, then they'll take it seriously probably. I guess.
फिर तब वो अस्पताल के बेड हम भी होंगे, वैसे हम भी उसी हवा में हैं. I don't know जितने हम measures ले रहे हैं उससे कितना फर्क पड़ेगा. I don't know.
Measures लेना is not the point, I guess. measures तो ऐसे तो smog towers भी वहाँ पर लगा दिए हैं गवर्नमेंट ने, so there is this
यार वो
cannot
तो
be
बहुत ही
explained.
फनी है.
Anand Vihar पे, so these are the smog towers costing around 25 crores for the installment, and apart from that 1.5 to 2 crores yearly cost होती है उसकी. So they are just covering the 200-meter area around it. It's
I
not even effective.
saw it in
Yeah, the trucks in the mist.
Yes, true.
I saw पता नहीं कौन सा न्यूज चैनल था जो उसे कवर कर रहा था, वो वहीं पे ही पानी
वही वो ट्रक्स थे, वो वहीं पे 200 मीटर्स में वो मिस्ट स्प्रे करते थे ताकि
ठीक नहीं हुआ है
Air quality measuring units are placed there only. That's why
Yes.
they are spraying all the.
उसके बाद भी 350 या 400 रीडिंग आ रही है, तो मतलब आप लोग समझ लो कि
How
एक्चुअल रीडिंग क्या होगी.
So this is not something कि इसको हम बस smog towers इतने सारे कितने सारे लगाएंगे हम. Instead जो कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है उसको हम closed कंस्ट्रक्शन कर सकते हैं. Instead कि वो हम खुले आम कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है तो उसको हम कवर करके कंस्ट्रक्ट.
मुझे
ऐसे ऐसे
I still feel कि लास्ट ईयर तक you remember वो रूल आ गया था where मतलब इस नंबर की गाड़ी
Odd number and even.
odd and even at least something was happening
Yeah.
until last year. इस ईयर तो
We have given up only. This is the first year, and I don't understand. वैसे तो मतलब कोविड के बाद से we've all gotten so used to work from home, schools from home, but right now when we actually need it, why is it not actually happening?
why is our government not, they would have done something
people
to
should also
combat.
start using public transport and.
But the public transport is shit.
Yeah.
They should. The government should.
Yeah, like, I can't create. Like, I would talk to you.
I remember there were some people who were protesting. फिर वो
इंडिया
बॉम्ब
गेट पे, हाँ, 3 को डंडे पड़े हुए थे, वो डंडे पड़े, वो गैस
ब्लास्ट हो गया,
और फिर वो बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट हो गया, और फिर
मतलब
when nobody had the courage to go.
I have a theory. I don't know if it's relevant. I feel that bomb blast was actually a way for people to, you know, it was a way of.
It could have been a distraction. I also thought that, but then I was schooled by a lot of people that
That it was not a distraction.
it was logistically couldn't have been possible for the government to do that because it had been happening for the last 2-3 months and they couldn't have predicted कि अच्छा इसी time पे.
And they have been planning it. I guess the people who got caught, they have been planning it. in
Yeah.
the city.
अब बाकी obviously you never know what is happening in the world.
Why can we also talk about the attempt at cloud seeding?
Oh my god! It failed because there's so much pollution. Because it needs a little bit of humidity and there is no humidity in Delhi's air. It's all dryness.
Also, there have been traces of
Nitrogen
oxide that has been found in the air.
That is purely because of vehicle emissions. And why not? It all comes back to the fact that why are we still working from offices?
It just comes back to why does the government hate us? It comes to that at this point.
But they're also breathing in the same air.
नहीं
उनके घरों पे तो ऐसे प्योरीफायर बहुत
भाई तुम्हें ये पता नहीं है क्या दिल्ली के सीएम का कुछ कुछ
हाँ,
निकला था,
बिल आया था कुछ करोड़ों में.
हाँ कि उन्होंने पता नहीं कितने एयर प्योरीफायर खरीद लिए हैं एंड इट वाज सर्कुलेटेड एवरीवेयर कि इन्होंने पटाखे पटूखे तो चलवा दिए, सबसे बुरा हाल हो चुका है. और में कर पा रहे
बैन हटा दिया, क्यों हटा दिया?
वो एग्जैक्टली
green crackers. I don't know where the green part.
There was no that part.
Okay, do you think that having plants, indoor plants, does it really help combat pollution?
So this is also a myth.
Really? This is a myth?
Yeah, it is a myth. So it may help to an extent, but it is not something कि मैं कहूँ कि it will replace air purifiers. कि आप अगर अपने indoor plants रख रहे हो तो you are breathing good air. It is not that. कि it is a source of oxygen. Yes, it is a source of oxygen.
Yeah.
But it is not combating with the pollutants, the particulate matters in the air. So you are taking oxygen with the pollutants.
Okay. And that's not really.
It doesn't help.
It doesn't really
That's
help.
really bad.
So this is again
मेरे को तो लगा था भाई पौधे वौधे लगा दो तो
कुछ थोड़ा बेहतर हो जाएगा, but no,
It is good for your eyes.
it's good for something I guess. ठीक है, all right. Let's get to the point. What are the measures that everyone in Delhi NCR should be taking, but they are not?
So to start with, living in Delhi NCR is itself.
या मतलब
आपको दम चाहिए अगर आप यहाँ रहते हो.
So it is better to have a relative outside Delhi, maybe in
Oh my
Uttarakhand or
God.
Himachal,
Okay.
whom you can just escape. And apart from the jokes, so we need to wear N95 masks, as we all know, and probably.
Do you see people wearing N95?
Not really.
मैंने तो एक भी नहीं देखा यार. और अभी मतलब if we go out, you know, like people are looking at us like कि हमें कोई बीमारी हो रखी है, क्यों मास्क पहन रखा है and everything.
People are not okay with the N95 masks. मतलब
Why?
COVID में पहले मतलब when the
हाँ,
was
तब
the
तो सब
COVID
पहन रहे
था,
थे.
everybody was wearing
Yeah.
it. Everybody was scared. So nobody is taking pollution that seriously, I guess. कि उनको N95 mask pollution में
Why do you think that is happening? Because people are not seeing immediate
not
effects.
aware. People are not aware.
So I'm glad that we're making
Chalo,
this
that's why we're
episode.
doing the episode.
I hope that we can make a difference with this episode. And yeah, I mean, okay, apart from leaving the city, which only privileged people can do, we can
Sometimes not even privileged, because most of the rich people in Delhi have their businesses here, and I think even
It's
they're
not practical.
yeah,
So
like,
practical.
you can't uproot your life just because. I mean, not just because it's a very serious.
it's a very
reason.
serious thing, but you can't always flee the city. Okay, and if you can't flee the city, you can, when you're moving out of the house, you can wear an N95.
N95, and when you are inside the house, you can use air purifiers. And basically, it is only for when you are inside the house.
Yeah.
Apart from that, you can do some basic homemade remedies,
Like
by some kind of you can take steam inhalation to just soothe your airways. So for home remedies, apart from steam inhalation, we can have some nutrients. We can add some nutrients to our food, to our daily life, like taking vitamin C. If not from our daily food, we can take vitamin C supplements. We can take amlas, and
I'll give an example, a small little example. It's been almost 10 to 12 years. मैंने दिवाली पे एक भी पटाखा आज तक नहीं. I haven't done that. The day I still remember I was in 11th standard and हमारे स्कूल में air pollution को लेके, global warming को लेके, you know, they started talking about it in a very big, in a very rigorous way. But what I recently read in the news, we used to blame the farmers for the stubble burning.
इस बार तो वो नहीं है.
It has reduced. It has reduced. Farmers have stopped. Like, it has reduced to a level where it will not cause pollution to such an extent.
yes.
So
This time too, I think this is the worst pollution that Delhi has had in the last several years.
So seeing the progression of the pollution. So there was a time, I guess 2020 data, if we go to the data depth. So in 2020, the pollution levels were not this much. So every year,
Yeah,
का
it-
AQI
2020 तो वो था ना तो clean, क्योंकि लॉकडाउन हो गया था. कितना remember the clear
was a time
sky.
जब एकदम से
Dip हुआ था.
हाँ dip हुआ था in the graph. उसके बाद से after 22 it has started to कि 50 to 100 का AQI every year increase हो रहा है, especially from November to February. This is a major period जहाँ पर pollution के levels बढ़ते हैं.
okay, apart from, you know, sore throat, हमारी eyes burn हो रही हैं. मतलब ये जो चीजें हैं जो immediate
ये
effects
तो visible है और कई लोगों को हो रहा है, कई लोगों को नहीं हो
हो रहा है. Some people have sore throat, some people are coughing like crazy.
Some people are completely okay. So I think that's why people are not taking it seriously, because they can't see the immediate effects.
So immediate effects सबको तो होते नहीं है.
Of course.
अब immediate effects is something, it's like an iceberg. So
Yeah.
iceberg phenomena. So it's only the tip of the iceberg that we are seeing. People don't see ki what actually is happening.
And that's why they're not taking it seriously.
To sum it up, I think if you are privileged enough, if you have a job where you can work from a remote area, I think right now would be the time to leave Delhi NCR.
ma'am.
If you do not have a job that, you know, gives you the luxury of moving away from Delhi, please be at your home. If you can be at home and you have the luxury of buying an air purifier, please buy an air purifier. Then when you buy the air purifier, please check for HEPA 13 and 14. Okay, please keep the door closed when you use the air purifier. Please check the filters are, you know, durable and उनको साफ करते रहो. उसके साथ साथ take care of your health, you know,
Get regular checkups. What was the checkup you said?
Yeah.
spirometry.
Testing and
Just normal. I think even if you're not feeling a lot of like I say immediate issues, just keep on.
don't add
getting-
up to the pollution.
Yeah, of course.
Possible.
Wear an N95 when you leave the house.
Don't stare at people who are wearing an N95.
Keep changing your N95 also. एक लगा लिया उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप उसको 5 दिन तक यूज कर
What
रहे
is
हो.
the duration that a person should change their N95?
So it should be changed every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Okay.
And apart from that, stay hydrated. Please add vitamin C, B complex to your diet. Of course, exercise not
Indoors.
outside. No, you should exercise indoors. And let's pray that the government starts to maybe like us a little.
You can shift.
Yeah.
This is seeming very important.
So on that note, I would like to thank Kriti for coming here and doing this for us. Thank you so much.
much.
And I hope you all like the episode and follow through it.
And keep breathing.
Yes. Bye.